What if I told you there's a simple trick, completely free, no tools, no mechanic required, that can make your car's AC blow air up to twice as cold? And no, I'm not talking about expensive refrigerant top-offs or shady chemical sprays. This is something most drivers overlook because they don't know how their AC system really works. Stick with me, because once you learn this, you'll not only stay cooler in summer, but you'll also extend the life of your entire climate control system, saving potentially hundreds of dollars in repairs. And here's the kicker: 80% of drivers are doing the exact opposite of what I'm about to teach, which is why their AC never feels cold enough, why your AC feels warm, even when fully charged. Modern automotive AC systems are highly efficient. When they're working properly, they can cool air down to as low as 40 degrees Fahrenheit at the vents, even on hot days. So why does your car sometimes feel like it's barely blowing cool air? Common culprits: clogged cabin air filters restricting airflow, recirculation settings not being used properly, dust and bacteria coating the evaporator core, acting like insulation, poor maintenance leading to heat soak in key AC components. What most people don't realize is that you can fix two of these issues immediately without tools. By changing how you use your AC system and performing one 5-minute cleaning hack. The free trick: mastering your recirculation system. Your car has two main airflow modes: fresh air intake and recirculation mode. Fresh air mode pulls air from outside the car, cools it, and blows it inside. Recirculation mode recycles the air already inside the cabin and re-cools it. Here's the science: cooling 100 degrees Fahrenheit outside air to 40 degrees Fahrenheit requires a huge load on your AC compressor, but cooling air that's already cooled to 70 degrees Fahrenheit inside the car, that's far easier, meaning colder air, faster cooling, and less wear on the system. Expert tip: start with fresh air mode for 1 to 2 minutes to flush out hot cabin air. Switch to recirculation mode and keep it there while driving. Set the fan to medium instead of max, allowing refrigerant to stay longer in the evaporator, increasing cooling efficiency. This alone can increase vent output by 5 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit colder within minutes. No parts, no cost. The secret 5-minute cleaning hack: even if you use recirculation correctly, your AC evaporator, the part that actually cools the air, can get coated with dust, pollen, and even mold over time. This insulates it, reducing cooling efficiency by as much as 20%. The hack: buy a can of foaming evaporator cleaner, around $10. Remove your cabin air filter, usually behind the glove box. Spray the foam into the evaporator housing through the filter slot. Let it sit, then run your AC on max fan for 5 to 10 minutes with windows down. Result: you remove a layer of insulating grime and biofilm, allowing cold air to pass more efficiently. Bonus: it kills odor-causing bacteria and mildew, leaving your cabin smelling fresh. Check your cabin air filter. The cabin air filter acts like your lungs' first line of defense, catching dust and pollen before it enters the cabin. Over time, it clogs, reducing airflow and cooling power. Quick inspection: remove the filter and hold it up to the light. If you can't see light through it, replace it. A $15 filter can instantly improve airflow by 20 to 30%, directly boosting cooling performance. Why this works psychologically too. Drivers often assume weak AC equals low refrigerant. That mindset leads to unnecessary shop visits, where topping up refrigerant often masks underlying issues while costing $100 or more. This simple hack gives you immediate results you can feel, reducing frustration and giving you control, because nothing is worse than sweating in traffic while imagining a $1,000 repair bill. Real-world example: a rideshare driver in Phoenix complained that his AC couldn't keep up with summer heat. He followed this hack: new cabin filter, foaming evaporator cleaning, and proper recirculation use. His vent temperature dropped from 58 degrees Fahrenheit to 42 degrees Fahrenheit in less than 10 minutes, with no refrigerant added. He estimated he saved over $400 in diagnostic and AC recharge services. In the next part, we'll dive into how to set your climate control for maximum cold without stressing the compressor, the 2 AC habits that quietly destroy compressors, costing $800 plus to fix, And one pro tip from dealership mechanics that keeps AC running like new for over a decade. Climate control settings that maximize cooling. Most drivers instinctively crank the fan to max speed and set the temperature dial to its coldest setting. While that feels intuitive, it can actually make your AC work harder and blow air that's less cold. Why? When the fan is on max, air moves too quickly across the evaporator coil, giving it less time to cool. Instead, set your fan speed to medium or medium-high. Set temperature to coldest setting, but allow the system to cycle naturally. Use recirculation mode to keep cooled cabin air circulating instead of pulling hot air from outside. This method allows refrigerant to stay longer in the evaporator core, resulting in colder vent temperatures and lower strain on the compressor. 2 AC habits that quietly destroy your compressor. The compressor is the heart of your AC system. If it fails, expect to pay $800 to $1,500 for replacement. These 2 habits accelerate wear and can be avoided. 1. Turning AC on full blast immediately. On a hot day, you start the car, hit max AC, and wait for it to cool. This sends refrigerant into a system that hasn't stabilized, creating pressure spikes that stress the compressor. Better approach: start the car, open the windows for 30 to 60 seconds to release hot air, then switch on AC with recirculation and moderate fan speed. 2. Not running AC in the winter. Many drivers shut off AC for months, thinking it saves fuel. But the compressor seals need regular lubrication from circulating refrigerant oil. Sitting idle allows seals to dry and leak. Better approach: run the AC for 5 to 10 minutes once a week, even in cold weather, to keep seals lubricated and components healthy. Pro tip from dealership mechanics: protect your condenser. The condenser located in front of your radiator is critical for cooling refrigerant before it cycles back through the system. Dirt, bugs, and road debris clog it easily, reducing cooling performance. DIY maintenance: with the engine cool, spray the condenser gently with a garden hose, never a pressure washer. Clear out leaves and bugs with a soft brush. Result: improved airflow, lower system pressures, and colder air at the vents. This single habit can extend compressor life significantly. The psychological factor of AC performance. Your car's AC isn't just about comfort. It's about peace of mind. A cool cabin reduces fatigue, improves reaction time, and even affects how aggressive drivers feel in traffic. Hot, stuffy environments increase stress hormones, leading to poor decision-making and irritation. That's why improving your AC performance with a simple hack feels so rewarding. It's instant relief and empowerment. The cost savings add up. Consider this: a cabin air filter, $15 to $30. Evaporator foam cleaner, $10 to $15. DIY condenser rinse, free. Compare that to a shop visit. A C recharge, $120 to $200. Compressor replacement, $1,000 plus. Evaporator replacement, $900 plus. Dash removal. By applying this hack once or twice a year, you save hundreds, possibly thousands, over the lifetime of your car. Real-world results from drivers. Case 1. A Florida commuter used the hack and saw vent temps drop by 15 degrees Fahrenheit, improving comfort on a 40-minute drive and avoiding a $150 AC service appointment. Case 2. A delivery driver reported that cleaning his evaporator and using recirculation correctly allowed him to make summer stops without constantly shutting off the AC to cool it down faster. Fuel savings improved, and compressor cycling times decreased. Your challenge: check your cabin filter today. If it's dirty, replace it. Buy a $10 foaming evaporator cleaner and perform the cleaning. Commit to using recirculation mode properly and moderate fan speeds. Then comment below: how much colder did your AC feel after this hack? Your feedback might inspire someone else to fix their AC without wasting money at a shop. Final thoughts: most AC problems that drivers blame on low refrigerant or old systems are actually simple airflow and efficiency issues. By understanding how your system works and following this free hack, you'll enjoy colder air, longer-lasting components, and a more comfortable ride, all without opening your wallet for major repairs. The next time you step into a blazing hot car, you won't panic or crank the system to max. You'll use this expert approach, feel the immediate difference, and know your AC system is working at peak efficiency.